Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Shawnee County, northern Waubonsee County, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Yamaha County in northeastern Kansas, Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, Brown County in northeastern Kansas, until 10 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Forest City to near Kickapoo Indian Reservation to 5 miles northwest of Texaco, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holton, Hiawatha, Horton, Valley Falls, Rossville, St. Mary's, Hoyt, Wetmore, Marietta, Everest, Robinson, Bellevue, Emmett, Whiting, Denison, Circleville, Delia, Netawaka, Powhatan, and Willis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm